Teacher Omega, I'm going to disassemble.
First, we need to remove the outer bolt of the computer case. Next, we're going to remove the outer case. Next is we're going to remove the system fan. Next is we're going to remove the CPU pan. And the next step is we're going to remove the power supply. Next is we're going to remove the DVD drive. Next is we're going to remove the hard drive or hard disk. Now we are going to remove the RAM. And now we are going to remove the motherboard. And the last is we're going to remove the CPU.
I am Crystal Bliss Gamalo Biscoes. I am going to assemble.
Install the CPU. Install system pan. Next is install CPU pan. Install memory RAM. Next is place the motherboard into the case. Next is connect the power supply. Next step is install the hard drive. Last step is install the outer case.